So our topic is dynamic philosopher, and so we will understand what exactly is this problem is and how we can solve it in different ways. So dynamic philosopher is a problem in which five philosophers will be there. They will be sitting around a table, and each of them is having two folks on the right and on the left. So P naught here, P represents the philosopher and F represents the folk number. Okay, and this is the rice bowl. The thing is, philosophers, the only work of the philosopher is to eat and to think. When they're thinking, they do not eat the food. After finishing their thinking work, they have to shift to eating work. And whenever they will eat, this is the scenario. And like the ayat, the constraint of this problem is the philosopher first have to take his left hand side fork first. After that, he has to take the right hand side fork. It's like if Peanut wants to eat the food, the rice from the rice bowl, first it has to take the fork on his left, that is F0. After that only he can take the fork number 1, that is F1. So if we represent this scenario in a pseudocode, then it can be in this way. So, first we will take the situation of like a function of a philosopher, like what exactly he is doing. So while the first condition is true, it will always be true. So it will run this loop. Now, first the philosopher completed his thinking work, then it will shift to, like when philosopher is thinking, if finishes his thinking, then it will first shift to take the left fork first. So let I represent, here I represents the left fork, and this I plus 1 mod n represent right fork. So first the philosopher take the left fork, then right fork, then it eat. This is basically the critical section of the code. After completing his eating work, it shift to, like first it will put left fork only because it has taken the first left one, then the right fork. So this is the basic pseudocode that followed in the initially when this scenario is there. So now the problem is, suppose P0 take the first fork F0. That time P1 came to the picture and take his left fork, that is F1. Now for P0 to eat food, it has to take the F1 fork, but it is already occupied by P1. So this is basically called as race condition. So now they will both will stuck and the process cannot be continued. So for that we introduce the concept of semaphore. Here we will take 5 semaphore for 5 philosophers, which will be array S0, S1, S2, S3, S4. This is an array of semaphores. Now here what we did is same the pseudocode. First they will do the thinking work. Then suppose P0 take the first left fork, then it takes the right fork, enter to the eating section. Now if P1 came to the picture, then P1 will take the right fork. After this P0 preempt. कितनी बड़ी हो गई? Not preempt and P1 came into picture. Now it will run this code, take its left fork, but S1, that F1 is represented by S1, which is already 0, and if we will down it, then it will be a deadlock condition. So there also we will start. Now the only, so as per this, the table is this: P0 will take left and this is right fork. P1 will take this left and right. So at the end, all the forks cannot be taken by all the philosophers are not able to eat the food at a time. P0 will, at the end, P0 will be left. So what we should do? To resolve this, we have to change the order for the one of the philosopher, that is a philosopher number P4. We reversed the semaphores. S0 will be this side and S4 will be this side. Now P0 will take left, then P4 will come in picture and it will be taken one. So in this way, or like if we change the order of this one, suppose P0 will take his left first, P1 will take his left first, P2 S3, P3 S3, then P4 S0. Now they will shift to the right hand side, then P1 will take, after that P0 will take S1, complete his work, then P1 can take that fork, then P2 can take the S3 fork, then P3 can take S4 and similarly P4. So in this way we will resolve this issue and it can be done. Now for P4 the code part will change in this way, like it will be wait, take 4 as I plus 1 mod n, and the next one is take 4 as I. This will interchange, these two steps will interchange so that P0 will fit for only for P0, so that you can take first right fork then the left fork. So in this way we were solving the dynamic philosophy problem. Thank you.